Element 1. Identify the role of a valet. 1.1. Describe the service delivered by a valet. Introduction. This unit applies to all establishments where specialist valet or butler service are conducted. This section identifies the tasks a valet undertakes. The job of the valet. A valet, sometimes also known as a butler, is employed by a hotel to provide a personalized and specialist service to guests for the duration of their stay. They add a degree of service, class, and style many people associate with indulgence and opulence. Valet service are not common. Currently, not all establishments provide valet service, and the position may not exist in some countries. Many hotels will only supply a valet parking service. However, international guests may have very high levels of expectation in relation to the service provided by valets, especially American and Japanese. Many expect the same level of service provided by other upmarket hotels around the world. The many roles of a valet. Many regard the valet as a providing a combination of roles, with its own demanding level of personalist and individualist service. The various roles include housekeeper, performing a range of service normally provided by a room attendant with other confidence, by a trusted person whom the guest can confide in when they need to talk or share an idea, experience, or opinion. Like informing the guest of what is available both within and outside the venue, when it is available, how to get there, and how to obtain entry. Get preferential treatment. Concierge. Well, all valets work together with the concierge in the venue. Many valets often take the role of concierge, while the guests do everything except. Organizer. Organizing activities in an individual guest. There is a special relationship between the valet and the concierge, especially the nature of the working relationship between them that demands instant response to guest needs, quick supply of information, and general professional support. The valet must be able to respond immediately and appropriately to the needs of individual guests who may all have widely diverse demands. It is definitely a challenging position, but without doubt an extremely rewarding one. The role of valet will generally be undertaken by experienced staff members or other people with sound organizational and interpersonal skills. Depending on the organizational structure of the venue, valet may be located in housekeeping, front office, or other appropriate departments such as finance or sales and marketing. The valet is always a front of house member of staff. They are not back of house staff who works behind the screen. A guest contact staff member as opposite to a manager or administration officer. A service provider, while they perform some liaison and supervision, that is, their primary role is one of service provision. The main duties of a valet. The main duties of a valet refer to the service they provide to their guests. The position description for valet at your venue will provide a good starting point regarding what they are expected to do. The nature and extent of this service will vary between guests, with some guests demanding constant attention and others requiring little in the way of valet service. Service can include, but are not limited to, professionally and confidentially communicating with the guest and on behalf of the guest, unpacking and storing guest luggage, preparing guest clothes and footwear ready for use, like pressing of garments as required or requested, packaging guest luggage for their departure, cleaning and polishing shoes as required or requested, repairing or organizing the repair of clothes and other guest belongings, providing assistance in relation to organization of guest needs and guests including wake-up calls, newspaper, coffee, and tea, monitoring the provision of establishment service to the guests, both in the room and throughout the venue. This may include arranging and supervising the provision of room service for meals, snacks, parties, and drink, organization and implementation of function for the guests in their room or in a function room at the venue. Recording service that have been delivered for quality control and accounting procedure. Preparing room before guest arrives by providing various items such as fruit bowls, complimentary gifts, bathrobes, chocolates, and flower. Looking after guest laundry and dry cleaning needs on an ongoing basis for the duration of their stay. Looking after guest laundry organizing and processing secretarial duties upon request, such as message, faxes, packages, translation, postage, and use of the business facilities at the property. Arranging restaurant bookings, car hire, tours, specified purchase of gifts and or other items. Organizing activities to meet guest needs, such as arranging special function in the venue, booking local excursion and tours, and making reservation for the theater, shows, dining, and special events. Provision of local advice, the concert function, including recommendation for dining and shopping, suggestion for transport and sightseeing, option for tourism and leisure activities, acquisition of personal service, making, altering, or confirming travel arrangement. Prior to guest arrival, the valet must investigate background information and knowledge about the preference and previous history of the establishment, take action to ensure promises made to the guest are met when the guest arrives. On guest departure, the valet must record the processed guest charges and accounts for billing and payment, assist in the maintenance of guest history file to provide relevant and up-to-date information about the guest or VIP, debrief with management to identify lesson learned, determine changes needing to be made to SOPs, and whether or not management needs to contact the guest to make an apology.